And so yesterday someone asked me, Fabrizio, why did you become a Thermomix advisor in the first place? I was like, well, why not? I mean, having grown up with a Thermomix in my family, for me it was never a brainer. And I remember back in 2016 when I was looking for a new challenge, I was looking for something else, a new activity to do alongside my full-time job. I literally looked around the house for, looking for ideas and inspiration. And what I did was looking in the kitchen, and I saw the Thermomix TM31 looking at me, literally staring at me actually. And I said, you, I remember, I'm gonna turn my passion for you into something big. I'm gonna make a job, a career, and an income out of you. And before I knew, 2 weeks later, I had signed up to become an advisor. And within 2 months, I had achieved enough sales to earn my free TM5. I mean, what an achievement was that? And even just wearing the badge, which says Independent Thermomix Advisor, made me so proud. So proud to be part of such a great and vibrant team of advisors. I mean, we all come from different walks of life, but we all have one passion in common, the passion for the Thermomix. And we all want to share our passion with our customers, with everyone out there. So joining the Thermomix team in 2021 is very advantageous for everyone. It's so easy, and all you've got to do is to just get in touch, ask me for more information, and I'll be happy to give you all the insight and all the information you need to know about the role and about the perks, because obviously there's lots and so much to gain out of being an advisor. So, for example, if you're a Thermomix owner, you have the advantage to the possibility to earn your Thermomix friend, this little jewel here. And if you don't own a Thermomix, or if you want to earn your second Thermomix, then you can join the Earn and Demonstrate plan, also known as TM for you, and earn your brand new TM6. So there's nothing to lose. Just give it a go. I promise you, we'll be looking after you.